Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how to cut a solid with a surface in FreeCAD, okay?
Hey everyone, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Solving Engineer community, okay? And now, let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to click on New. You are in the Part Design workbench, okay? Next, you click on the Create Body, then Create Sketch. I'm gonna choose the XY plan. Then I'm gonna use the Centered Rectangle command. I'm gonna draw a rectangle of 100 millimeter here, then 100 millimeter here, okay? Then I'm gonna click on Close. Then I'm gonna go to Pad. I'm gonna use the 2 dimensions option, 25 millimeter for the first length and 25 millimeter for the second length, okay? Then click on OK. Now I'm gonna come back to the XY plan. I'm gonna draw a surface using 2 lines. I'm gonna draw the first line like this, okay? Then I'm gonna select this line using this symmetry. I'm gonna create a new line on the other side like this. Then I'm gonna click on Close. I'm gonna switch to the Part workbench. Now I'm gonna press the Control button, select the Pad feature, then the Ruled surface. Then I'm gonna go to the Part, then Split command, then go to Slice Apart. Okay, I'm gonna hide the lines. Now you can hide the first part of the cut, or you can hide the second part of the cut. You can save it like this or like this. So this is how you can cut a solid with a surface in FreeCAD. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Solving Engineer Business channel. Thanks for watching.